lang. We're just preparing our things because we're going to leave now. Going to leave now?
Oo, kunin mo.
Oh, alis na kami.
Isulat mo dito. Wala man akong ano. Wala akong ballpen.
Going to leave now.
Pahirap nga kayo ng ballpen.
Today we'll be going to Quezon City.
Oo,
We'll be passing the expressway. Alright. At kami ay aalis na dito. Sila naman dito ay
mga kuno kailan.
Hindi daw na sasabihin. Yung tubig na maitim, nilagyan mo ng ice.
yung tubig na maitim.
Ang tubig na lalagyan.
Alis na po. Oh, bye-bye na Garod.
Ingat kayo.
Mami, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye baby.
Kahit hindi nyo sabihin po, pumunta kayo dito, malalaman ko din. Bye-bye kayo, friend!
Alis na kami. Tahimik na naman. Tahimik na naman sila rito. Wala nang madaldal. Si Auntie madaldal.
Ano kung tinatamaan mo? Ito na nga ang ano? Bagyo.
Bagyo?
Bagyo, may bagyo.
Walang bagyo ngayon. Malakas lang ang ulan lang talaga.
May bagyo. May bagyo.
Wala.
May bagyo, hindi naman siya kung may bagyo. Kung isa ko, fish dito. Bye-bye!
Buddy, next ulit. Until next time. Uwi na kami. Bye-bye.
Dahil kalimutan.
Tapos ba ito?
Kuha naman to. Kinan na. Iyak naman.
Wala na, Santi.
Video na.
Apa yan na lang? Dito na.
Alis na kami, ate!
Salamat.
Sige, salamat din, salamat.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ay, wala kami padala sa iyo.
Kadami. May sinako-sako.
Naalis na kami dito. Sikat kami ngayon. Alis na kami ng Puri. Alright. Balik na kami sa aming origin, sa Mindanao.
Wala ka ng seatbelt.
Isod ka diyan. Isod ka.
Wana, yayay, emo hands.
Wala na wala akong imuhan sa kanong. Hindi karagod, wala na ba daw yaya akong hand? Wala na, wala na. Wala na yaya ang hand.
Ano ba, Gmail? Bye, bro.
Bye, bro.
Yayay, emo hands.
Wala na. Okay na ang hands namin, no? Karga na kay Dudong, no?
Wala mo nalimtan. Nasa daw ninyo bi, napata dire.
Your hand.
ORCR.
Yayay.
Uy, siya na to.
Gone away.
So,
Gone away.
atras gina siya. Atras talaga yan. Atras na lang ba kay wagid. Wagid magyan.
Sige na, i-anak na lang pa. Ano na?
Atras na lang.
Asa daw?
Atras patasan na lang.
Atras na lang gamay, malapit lang man. Pwede ka makatras, malapit lang man.
Di ba kasyak?
Oo, malapit lang man.
Atras.
Masakit ka pa dyan. Problema pa. Bisayaan doon ta. Tas talaga, kay doon naman. Dragon Balls.
Sa mukha gitu ada.
Dragon Balls.
This is the Minoli going to San Jose City. Nueva Ecija. Thank you and come again. Okay. We're now traveling and the other end is the
Anong pangalan mo? Pangalan mo?
the side of this road is the riverbank.
Tindahan niya ang Tagalog.
We're now living in the beautiful Minoli places. Thank you very much for everything. Ako ba kayong katawa ni Tigang dito sa atong kuan?
Sige na kung katawa. Double checking.
Katupad na itong kontraktor ba?
Oh, ano naman?
Yung katabi ng kontraktor kahapon.
Yes.
Inusong na ngayon kasi sa sobrang lasing. Umaga pa lang.
Ano sa suya?
Bidayungan.
Ay, ano naman?
Nakahubog. Ayun. Ayun buntak.
Yun ang magiging future ni Ate Gang. So si Ate Gang na magdayong kung sakaling nagkatuluyan sila. Si Ate Gang na yung magbubuhat niyan. Maswerte si Ate Gang ha. At least contractor daw yun.
Nag-aagawan.
Tupot pa yung kwato.
Ang tingin niya, oy, parang may kulang ah. Kulang ng puwit ah.
Murag gampay, hindi.
Parang hindi tayo malilingaw nito ah. Ito po kinay ka Ate Gang kuya.
Tupot ko di tapang ay.
Lingo-lingo dahil si Ate Gang.
Kaya siya, hindi makain yan.
Sige, taong sila katang-atong
Oo, kay daghang makagamit dito wala na unta giga, wala ni mo gamita. Imo tatong pa ano ni Ria kay para pag-abot niyo hindi distribute na lang nimo.
Sige, ang pingon ba nila lang
Oo.
nila yan.
Appreciate ba nila maayo kung na kay
Kato si bana ni Ate Mita nga akong sinina dugay na kayo sige daw nagbalik-balik og suot.
expect na lang na kung sa kayo pag makakita. Sunod mo to ipaong sa andam, sunod pa sa box, andam ng karton.
Dudong andam.
Oo, yung andam. Yung ba?
Donald Clark.
Hindi nyo na sila ito. Kakarto ni mga nato. Ikaw ikaw nagsuot. Sa Kasimada, ba doon dito buko?
Ganda na ba ng isa?
You look very gorgeous.
I'm just gorgeous.
Wala doon, wala signal doon.
Signal.
Walit na. Kabalik ka mapakali.
Bueno, barrier. I told you.
Saan mo pagitan ka talaga?
For what?
3 SUV, Montero, Trailblazer, and Everest.
How about the YouTube na one? Hey, wanna strawberry? Strawberry? What? Ang saying ang buhat ang tikas. Ay, ang dami. Gold. But you didn't put this one. This one is will quite the same. Quite
Birthday.
because that one. Why is like that? Why is like that? Why is like that over that one? Like that.
I told you pa no.
Handa na, Tara. Dumiretso lang ng 3 oras at 24 na minuto.
Wala ganito kadali. Tumiretso lang ng 3 oras.
This way, going to left side is Karanglan, Nueva Ecija. And this straight ahead is San Jose.
Dito ko may ni-rescue. Jordan.
48 ang kanilang ano dito, oil, I mean diesel. So we're going to dito. Kaya pala hindi ka makita. Papasok pala.
Hindi, ako nasa kanto ko.
Papagas tayo sa Talavera because wow, there is a river and there is a cottage out there. That one.
How about that river?
You want to, are you enjoying swimming in the river? Dodong? Do you enjoy a lot?
Dati to po yun. Ay, enjoy yung dadang.
Yeah.
Dili eh. Lisod. Wow. What a mountainous area in Sierra Madre. Oh, dahan. Ha?
Nasa sila sa Manila?
Quezon City. Check your time right now. It is now 10:59 in the morning and we are heading right now to Quezon City, Metro Manila. So just have to witness. If you haven't been passed by in the North Luzon Expressway, be going there. So step by step, so that you get an idea of how much is the fare and what are roads that we are going to pass by. All of that, all the details. So all you need to do is that you just simply just be with us until the end of this video. Okay, so see around a lot of hills, a lot of mountains. It's very good to look at, except that face of the driver. I think you're not driving so well. Very good to look at that view up there, right? Except the face of the driver.
Because the face of the driver is scrambling.
Samukoy. Alright. There is an ambulance.
The back portion.
The back portion. Okay. We are really thankful enough that our relatives right there are just very hospitable, and they are very caring, accommodating, and everything. Right? We really enjoy a lot of our vacation right here, even though we just spent little time, about days only. So we enjoyed a lot. Okay, I think the ambulance is just driving faster for an emergency. Okay. This is a downhill portion. You cannot easily maneuver for overtaking right here, because you know the road is so narrow. So what is that? Is an illegal overtaking. Okay, I think the driver needs there is it's very dangerous to overtake here. And I think the weather condition right now for our travel is just extremely fine, extremely good condition. So I think there's no hassle of traveling. However, there is no raindrops falling from my tears. Okay, so I think it's very good to drive right now. So just hoping that we're gonna have a good condition, weather condition. Today, so we arrive very good and safer. Our driver is overtaking, aggressively overtaking. It's very good. If I rate that one, that is from excellent to poor. I therefore take the poor. Out of 10, it's 3.
Got 3.
What do you expect? I expect to give you 10.
Traveling is good because no foul.
No foul. Drive carefully, Brian. Don't make any nonsense joke. I'm a little bit scared of your driving, you know.
You sleep.
It's like the road is snake shape. There are a lot of curves here, so therefore you should have to drive it carefully when, especially when you encounter a lot of big trucks right here, right? This thing is protection from any falling debris or falling rocks up there in the mountain, because there's some instances that the vehicles are just accidentally get fouled by the falling rocks. We are now closer to San Jose. The time right now is 11:08. Time check is brought to you by Don Istoy. If you haven't been subscribed yet, why don't you just subscribe for more, so you get more exciting and surprising videos that you've ever had before. Alright?
Tell me it's true.
We are now about to enter the beautiful city of San Jose, Nueva Ecija. Straight ahead, we'll have to encounter the one lane.
What a lucky car.
What a lucky car.
Over there.
Over there. You know, my driver is very joker. I don't understand your English, man. 46 lang, Brian, oh.
Ah, sa din.
Oh, dito siguro ta. Okay. I see a gasoline has 46. The diesel is only 46, so I think we should stop bra 46.90 dito 46.20. Okay na siguro to.
Dumaan tayo sa Pinagmanaan Rizal Pantabangan Road, Talavera. At isa, AH26 Maharlika Highway, San Miguel, E1.
This is
Okay, 278. So we only have 3,000 left in our pocket. So there's no card, there's no Gcash, so only cash. There's nothing we can do about it. So that's why we will be having a customs action. So we got 645 kilometers to run in the worth of 3,000 diesel. Okay, so let's go there na. Let's continue our journey. Okay. Alright, so check your time right now, 24 after 11. We are now
Pagkaraan ng 1.6
in San Jose.
kilometro. Kumaliwa sa Bonifacio.
Ka pareha og sakyanan. Ay, video ni tour pa man din ni.
Minggo man sa adon siya.
ATM lang, di ba? Sa itong video dito sa una dito to sa Ikas. Dito lang. Lugar na proper dito. Bayan. More views here in San Jose, Nueva Ecija. I think I'm starving right now, so we just have to look for carinderia or something to eat anywhere. That is the market proper where we sell our products before. I was just a sign here. International Pharmaceutical Incorporated.
Kaliwa. Kaliwa tadi.
Straight lang sa dito. Palabas na tayo nito ng San Jose. We're heading to Gimba, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan Road. So exit po tayo nito ng pasok tayo ng North Luzon Expressway doon po sa Gimba. So ito going to Talavera na tayo. So ayan po yung navigation natin. Mag-breakfast muna tayo here in San Jose. Okay? Ayun muna tayo. May magandang kainan dito. I think ito yung kainan natin here in San Jose. Ang busy ng kainan nila rito. Laki ng mga kaldero. Ayan. Ito lang yung in-order namin ni Brian. Busog ka na, Brian?
Busog na.
Ayan.
Busog na ako.
Dami palang kumakain dito. Malakas yata itong kainan na to eh. No? Akala mo siya driver ng tricycle, ano? Ando, no? Talaga. Ano? Drive ka na dyan. Eating right now, so thank you so much for the space provided by the RC ng San Jose. Okay, it's rock and rolling, baby.
Ma, kasi ako ulit is kurang dito ang asa.
Lodo sa balay? Dito sa balay? O sa tindahan? Nagabayad mo si Gilo man nagabayad anak?
Ay, wala na si Jillian magbayad, anak.
Ay wala na.
This is the way going to Talavera, and we will have to exit at Talavera, heading the right way. If you go straight ahead, that's going to Cabanatuan City, where I was assigned before.
Pitex. Asang to Pitex?
I don't know.
Lagi ang bus pa Pitex daw siya.
Pitex? Tiplex, not Pitex.
P-I-T-X.
I don't know that one.
That one is going to sing 7.
Tagalog ka daw.
You thought it was really designed by people around. It was really designed. This one is a nature design. It's like an umbrella covering the road, the structure of the trees like that. This is CLSU,
16.
Central Luzon University. Okay. It's very wonderful to see that trees right there. You thought it was designed by human. That is a nature design as what we have seen right now.
Satan eh. Ito lang.
No, dali lang ito. Lupaw ning isa eh. Ang bisita ni Daddy.
Taga-tiga. Ay pa to. Ganda nga pa to. Ilang mo kaana to.
Apoy po kaya si Paminaw.
Kapoy po mo sige gawin mo. Sa iring.
Sairo.
Tama ko dahil.
Lex, that is connecting North Luzon Expressway, Science City of Muñoz. Okay, we are now in Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Straight ahead, we'll have to turn right here in our navigation. Okay, there. Sige lang. Okay, so
Manatili sa kanan.
slow down
Tapos
because
kumanan sa 114, Nueva
Wow.
Ecija, Pangasinan Road.
we're going to Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan Road. So here.
Amo anak ka.
Yes, right.
Sa una dito man ta.
Turn right. This is Talavera. Because if you
Pwede
go,
tali,
oh, pwede. Because if you're going straight left side, that is going to Cabanatuan. And here, we're going to Gimba.
Kita di ba punta di agi ato?
Gimba. Oh, dito ni agi ato. Pag ano to?
Kumanan sa 114, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan Road.
Yes, here. Dito.
Teplex ta.
To Manila via Teplex. Okay, there. Straight ahead.
Dumiretso lang ng 20 minuto hanggang 114, Fagon.
Tayo ko din Cabanatuan pa din.
Mga pila pa ka kilometro dahil.
But pila pa to.
Then, naalang to sa
Lagi
mga,
doon lang to.
mga 10 siguro.
Ya, gikan? Doon na lang.
Doon na lang. Mga 10 na lang. Approximately. Now entering Gimba, Nueva Ecija. this is the whole picture of the town. Turn right. Colleges of Advanced Technology. Okay.
Kumanan sa 114, Figal.
Figal. Okay, Figal.
Pagkaraan ng 300 metro. Kumaliwa sa 114, Salvador.
We are now in Nueva Ecija, Gimba.
Dako, hindi ko na. Nueva Ecija.
Tako eh, takuan eh. We are in Gimba right now. Oh, turn right. Dito pa sa yata sa pan? Dito na ba? Dito pa yata. Dito pa.
Dito na.
Dito pa, dito pa.
Ito pa.
Di oh. Tiplex.
Kumaliwa sa 114, Salvador.
Tiplex. Going to Tiplex.
Tansyang tagal sa trapiko, 7 minuto.
Sure.
Pagkaraan ng 2.5 kilometro. Kumaliwa sa Pura Gimba Provincial Road.
Pura Gimba Provincial Road. This is the town proper of Gimba. Papiput. This is the terminal of tricycle, or I mean terminal also of jeepney. Primark Town Center. We're now leaving to Gimba. Straight ahead we're heading to Pura Gimba Provincial Road, going to Tiplex. When we were there, that is connecting to Visitex, then Inlex, going to Metro Manila.
Tayo pa tamo sulod sa Itlex.
Oh.
Tip.
We're now heading to Pura Gimba Road to Tiplex Serona Gimba. Okay.
Tato de para sa
I don't know. 13 kilometers.
13. Vamos sulod sa Itlex. Straight lang mo na.
2 kilometers ahead is we're going to enter Tiplex. Right here, right now. So we are now leaving provincial roads. We are having our journey. So now we're about to enter expressway, starting up with the Tiplex, TPLEX. I forget what do you mean by Tiplex? approaching the T-Plex. Straight ahead. You can now notice the skyways above. There, you can notice skyways. Why are you laughing? Is there any funny what I have just said?
Going straight
ahead.
Pagkaraan ng 3.2 kilometro. Kumaliwa sa 2, MacArthur Highway.
Wait, MacArthur Highway na. Wala pa sa ikulan. Dapat gawas na ito sa gawas pa unta
sa Tarlac.
Tama na ito itong ligya pa.
Oo, tama.
Manila, Santa Ignacia, Baguio, Salina, Mati, Manila. Left na tayo eh.
Left pa. Okay, so turning left right now.
Kumaliwa sa 2, MacArthur Highway.
It's red light, Brian.
I'm following this car. What the car?
Going there. Straight ahead is going to Baguio. The left side is going to Manila. Okay. This is the intersection.
Left or right?
Left. Going, turning left right now.
Over here, the front. Where the car stop?
Because there's traffic
It's red light, you see that? It's red light.
Red light.
There's a traffic light.
What
Why
color?
is not green? Why is not green white yet?
Because we're standing by here. In the other ways, it's just crossing by. So that's why it's still on the red light. Okay. Well, it's gonna be our turn. It's our turn. We're heading to Manila. Here we go.
Nakabutang dito, T-Plex this way.
Dumiretso lang ng 45 minuto hanggang 213, Concepcion, Capas Road.
I will get you later.
May kasalan po ba rito o ano? Bakit mukhang nakapink yung mga bridesmaid ba yan? Ay, kasalan pala ito eh. Okay, kung tayo kumbaga imbitado dito eh, bakit hindi? Si Batang itu ya taba nih. We are now here in Capas, Concepcion.
Kung di nang may hiraman, magtiwala lamang sa
Tito Brian.
The Brian.
Loko mo ako, Dodong ba?
Tito Brian. Tito Brian.
Loko mo talaga ako, Dodong ba?
San Nicolas, Tarlac. Nandito na po pala tayo sa Tarlac. Malaking syudad itong Tarlac eh. And we are now in Tarlac City. There is Pure Gold. There is a mall up there. Alright, so this is just the way, but this is not really the city proper. I think the city proper is going that way. Moncada, Tarlac City via Hirona.
Yes. No, orange ice cream.
Going there.
Pawala tayo. Unsa ba guna siya sa Inlex? Iset din daw siya sa Inlex.
Inlex.
Oh, Manila Inlex. Kana oh, kay pawala Clark Inlex. Iset siya. Inlex Clark.
Manila Inlex.
Clark.
Ito lang. Manila
Inlex. Clark.
Makita ka ng kambal mo dito?
Apoy tabo niya.
Wala.
Wala ba lang?
Wala. Yan tayo nasundan na pareho sa atin. Ayan. Parehong-pareho. Wild truck din. Pareho. Para tayong nakatalikod eh. Ayan.
Your car, Dodong. Over there. Your car. It's amazing.
Look like the same.
It's look like the same.
It's
right?
the same.
Who's driving
Since-
over here?
Pagkaraan ng 300 metro. Kumaliwa.
It's Tita Rhea.
Pawala ka di aparta.
Wala ta.
Nagsundugan ng wild truck ng isa.
Say goodbye to your truck, Dodong.
Ako siya ni signal o asa po ni padulong nga wild truck. Dito po din siya.
Kumaliwa sa 2 MacArthur Highway.
Handa na lang yun na siya.
Ay, siguro kamilya po di siya.
Uli po dito. So, Pakubaw itong bus na to. Tingnan mo yung bus na yan. Pakubaw yan. Oh, pwede nating sundan ang bus na yan. Lalabas ng Balintawak yan.
Diretso lang ng 20 minuto hanggang 213 Concepcion Capas Road.
Doon tayo galing eh. Pastil lang.
Kubaw.
Ayan, Kubaw yan. Pagagaling natin doon eh.
Gawas mo kita niya ng Capas Road.
Pwede tayong sumunod dyan sa bus na yan kasi Pakubaw yan.
Sunod nga taning basigo. Muhunong ni, mungutahan na ta.
City Mall of Tarlac.
Asa mo sulod ning basa ni. Kambal ang kambal.
Kambal natin
Yes,
nandun.
the Campbell. San Miguel, Tarlac.
Brian.
Scamber.
Yan, bye-bye Kambal.
Video po na siya sulod ba? Kambal. Max. Nagiano to ni.
Oo, nagyan na to. Tarlac City man kasi ni. Kuha din yung Tarlac, no?
Ah, nagiano to ni. Nisiga ni pagkagabi eh.
Starbucks.
Oh, nisiga man eh.
Gani.
Pagkagabi eh nito eh. Nagiano to ni.
Kita dari Uncle John's. Salamat po. You are leaving Tarlac. Alright.
New Clark City.
Inlex. Going to Inlex na tayo. Check your time right now. It's now 28 after 2 o'clock. Going to... Currently we are heading the Capas Concepcion Tarlac Road, going to NLEX. Alright, straight ahead. Seems like this way is like an expressway also, right? Capas Municipal Hall. Yes.
Straight na. Ang index is straight.
Ano daw? Kaliwa man tao.
Oo. Hindi, katungan sa side. Balik ka po taan eh. Na.
Left kita part.
Kagitan eh.
Kumaliwa. Tapos kumaliwa sa 213 Concepcion Capas Road.
Kagitan eh.
Capas Windis. Malaki pala ang Capas Tarlac, ano? Okay, ala, number 2210. Agoy, kaya pa. Tama, dito ka ito niyagi, oh.
Sa 213 Concepcion Capas Road.
Capas Road hindi. Capas Road dito eh.
Tapos liliko tayo sa Santa
Pagkaraan ng
Rosa
4
Road.
metro. Kumanan sa 213 Concepcion Capas Road.
Wait ha.
Okay, nakahangat.
Pagkaraan ng 300 metro. Kumanan.
Ay, papunta pala itong EasyTex.
Kumanan sa 213 Concepcion Capas Road.
Ano, EasyTex. Gosh. Kala ko papunta tayong Inlex dito.
Pagkaraan ng 5.3 km.
Ibog nilang sign.
Pabasa ng Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway, SCTEX, on ramp.
Ay, Subic Tarlac pala ang ibig sabihin niyan.
Oo na. Kasi ang tama mo po niya itong yagian
Subic
yun.
Tarlac Expressway pala yan.
Mo niya itong yagian yun depart.
Ibig palang sabihin ng EasyTex is Subic Tarlac Expressway. Okay. I think we are now heading to the right way. Going to Expressway is on ramp. Okay. Go.
You think?
Going there.
I think.
What do you think? I think you are
Panlalaki think.
going to pee.
Oh, come on. Ikaw.
Sige na, it's okay. Sulod na batag eh. Kung ano? Sige ka lang.
Gayo ka ba to?
Huh? EasyTex on ramp.
Okay, naman eh. Sama ni.
EasyTex on ramp.
Sunod mo right?
Right, live pa.
Mo na eh. Ito na yun.
Concepcion Bayan ko lab ko to.
Mo na eh. Amo na eh.
Amo na ginito. Ulit din nga.
Hindi ah. Kadidi.
Kadto to ay kadto. Kadto di way kadiri. Kadto haw. Ulit din na.
Malaan.
Toto kayan. Bisot di mo haw. Di way mong tuli haw.
Wala mong gawi dito. Pamiyay.
Matuli ka po tayo na.
Wala mong gawi dito. Pamiyay. Sige pa pang pamangkot.
Di bastos kita mo.
Pagkaraan ng 300 metro, lumabas sa kanan.
Lumabas sa kanan. Okay, Bart, dalawa.
Okay, so brace yourself. We are going to enter right now
Lumabas
the
sa kanan hanggang
EasyTex
Subic Tarlac Expressway, EasyTex
expert.
on ramp.
Tarlac.
Papalapit sa Totol.
Right.
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 We are entering the Dragon.
Manila Inlex. Hinahinay lang
Tarlac
po.
City. Tarlac City, we. Going to Tarlac
RFID.
City.
Wala ka, ay, cash ba ano?
Kasta.
Itag cash. Okay, so since wala po kaming RFID, we're going ito na lang siguro. Wala namang cash ano dito. Ito.
No. No, wait. Wala tayo, wait.
Okay.
Sorry, wala.
Sabihin mo lang na
Okay,
cash.
right.
Cash tayo.
Kasta tayo.
Bah,
Pagi.
sabi ko ko.
Nakaabot ang yung gate. Yeah. Hindi ko.
Oy, 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 dito, dito.
Alright, here we go.
Usdakan tadi mo nang
Go.
daw ni.
Ito magbabayad tayo. Surrender natin ito. Doon tayo magbayad. So ito yung kinuha namin. Surrender this ticket upon exit.
Manatili
Next
sa
tayo.
kaliwa hanggang Subic Tarlac Expressway, SCTEX, South on ramp. Manatili sa kaliwa hanggang Subic Tarlac
So, bay kita, no? Kay Patarlac man.
SCTEX, South on
Straight lang,
ramp.
straight.
Ha?
Straight lang, straight.
Straight
Oh.
ah.
Manila oh. Ito Manila.
Di ha, Patarlac.
Oh, Patarlac.
Tita.
Galing na tayong Tarlac eh.
Gusto mong bumalik. Tama ba eh?
Tama. Oh.
Lagi na. Ay, ba't tayo dito? Ay, masipit ka diyan na. Balik ito sa akin yan eh. Maugid na gina. Dapat
Dako.
gamay sipit. Adi, balik na mo sa akin.
Malilisan tayo sa kalilibog nito.
Istorya gani ni sa didok ganing kung ba't tayo dilibrad nga sipyat kag isa sipyat kag isa likuan nimo pwede gani mong lisura makabalik na tuyok nyo ka ano na
Oo, ano ni? Si Texan Run. Okay, yan na. Next, mag-exit tayo sa ano, sa
Tarlac
Inlex. Inlex exit.
Balintaw akong kata
Lagi.
wala di balintaw
Ganito yan, bayan. Dumaan tayo sa expressway, ang tawag EasyTex. Tapos connecting Inlex.
Pabalakat, North Luzon Expressway, Inlex, exit.
Papasok tayo sa Inlex, lalabas tayo ng EasyTex. Yan ang ibig niyang sabihin.
pagawas na
Pansit.
sa EasyTex asa naman punta
Paglabas natin ng EasyTex, pasok tayo ng Inlex, going to Manila na.
hindi pa Manila
Wala pa. Papunta pa tayong Inlex nito. I guess City Mall right
meow
here.
meow meow meow
Ayan. Kilometers. This is gonna be our ticket once again. So upon surrendering this one, it consists of the fare that we are going to pay in the Inlex.
picture
RFID is that this is gonna be the card that you're going to I don't this is going to be a card that you're going to purchase, if I'm not mistaken.
picture ba sa pasa sa kuha
Video mo na, Brian.
gani kasi pwede picturean mo ba
Pwede na siya picture ni Kwan na siya.
ni Agi ganda ni kasadaha
Baan mo eh.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18,
the expressway right now. So once again, RFID, you are going to install it, or it is a card. Enter the INLEX. It is directly scanned. And you have also a balances. So we have no RFID as of now.